Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best 3 a.m. purchases is probably one of the most impulsive decisions we make, often driven by late-night scrolling and the allure of novelty, leading us to acquire items we might not otherwise consider during daylight hours. These spontaneous buys can range from the surprisingly useful to the utterly bizarre, and today, we're diving deep into the world of these midnight acquisitions to see if they truly stand the test of time and practicality, or if they're just fleeting fancies destined for the back of a closet. Number 5. Amazon e-gift card. Introducing the Amazon e-gift card, a perfect gift for any occasion. Choose from a variety of designs and denominations to suit your needs. Our gift cards never expire and have no hidden fees. You can be sure that the full value will always be available for use. It can be redeemed towards millions of items store-wide on Amazon.com and certain affiliated websites, giving you endless choices. Need it now? It's available for immediate delivery. You can also schedule it to be sent by email up to a year in advance. Please note that these are non-refundable and non-returnable. They can only be used for eligible goods and services on Amazon.com. What we like? This is the ultimate gift of choice. It's perfect for any occasion, offering endless possibilities for the recipient. If you're looking for a last-minute gift that's always appreciated and never goes out of style, this is your go-to option. What people say. They're easy to send digitally, arrive instantly, and the recipient can choose exactly what they want. The Amazon e-gift card is one of those products that just works exactly the way you need it to. I purchased the digital version and the delivery was almost instant, the email arrived within minutes, and the design options were clean and modern. The instant delivery is the biggest advantage. Being able to send a gift by email or text within minutes is incredibly convenient, especially if you're short on time or forgot an important date. Number 4. Apple AirPods Pro. Experience sound like never before with active noise cancellation. It lets you focus on what you're listening to, blocking out distractions. Need to hear what's happening around you? Transparency mode lets you tune back into the world without missing a beat. Enjoy a perfect fit with 3 sizes of soft silicone tips. They are designed for all-day comfort and a secure seal. Whether you're working out or caught in the rain, these are sweat and water resistant. They're built to keep up with your active life. Enjoy music that's always tuned to you. Adaptive EQ automatically adjusts the sound to the unique shape of your ear. Setting them up is a breeze with all your Apple devices. Plus, you can access Siri hands-free just by saying, "Hey Siri." Keep the music going with the wireless charging case. It provides over 24 hours of total listening time on a single charge. What we like? Experience pure audio bliss with these earbuds. They offer an immersive listening experience and a comfortable, secure fit for all-day wear. If you're an Apple user who values top-tier sound quality and effective noise cancellation, these are a must-have. What people say. The sound is great and always clear. I like that I can turn volume up or down by swiping the arm. They connected to my phone immediately and I envy our loose connection. The Pros fit very comfortably. They also charge quickly and the battery can easily last me 3 to 4 10-hour shifts. The sound quality is crisp, balanced, and immersive, with bass that's punchy without overpowering mids and highs. I particularly love the fit and comfort as the customizable silicone tips make them feel secure for extended wear, whether I'm commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home. The transparency mode is also incredibly useful, letting me hear surroundings without removing AirPods, which adds a layer of practical safety and convenience that many other earbuds lack. The sound quality is very good, with surprising sub-bass, balanced mid-bass, and good high bass. The mids are in front of the mix, and the highs are nicely separated. Good stereo imaging, and a decent soundstage for in-ears. The active noise cancelling is one of the best you can get with in-ears right now. Their transparency mode is also very good, having a good stereo image, directional sound, and a realistic volume level. IPX4 water resistance means working out with them or dropping a glass of water on them shouldn't be a worry. The integrated microphones are of very good quality and cancel outside noise well. They also come with 3 different sizes of neatly packed ear tips. Number 3. Fitbit Inspire 2 Health and Fitness Tracker. Meet the Fitbit Inspire 2, designed to be your partner in health and fitness. It tracks your activity 24/7, helping you stay on top of your goals. Get a full year of Fitbit Premium included, offering personalized insights and guidance. It's the perfect way to understand your body better and achieve more. Keep a constant pulse on your health with continuous heart rate tracking. This feature helps you optimize workouts and monitor your resting heart rate throughout the day. Designed in a classic black, it's lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Both small and large band sizes are included, ensuring a perfect fit for everyone. This tracker is your motivation to move more and live healthier. It seamlessly integrates into your life, making fitness accessible and enjoyable. What we like? Take charge of your well-being with this smart tracker. It provides comprehensive insights into your daily activity and health metrics. If you're aiming to improve your fitness, monitor your heart health, or simply live a more active lifestyle, this device is an excellent companion. What people say. The 24/7 heart rate monitor is really great to keep an eye on, the active zones and a great battery life. So far I've gone 4 days with no charge and only gotten to 65%, that's incredible to me. Not to mention this new model includes a free year of premium which has a lot of great stuff in it like fitness guides and meditation exercises. It's functioning flawlessly. It was a great price, is very easy to use, and really is a good little motivator. I love the gentle alarms, the relax exercises, and the little reminders to drink water and exercise. The sleep tracking is really fascinating and a personal goal of mine to work on. This is a major help to me in that regard. I love that it is swim safe as well, since I'm big on swimming. It tracks everything I want it to track, holds battery life for more than a week, is comfortable and cute, and I got it at a very good price. It comes with a 1-year premium membership which I love. Fitbit is great when used in conjunction with MyFitnessPal for counting calories and creating a calorie deficit. I've been using this Fitbit for 2 months, counting steps and counting calories, and I have lost 15 pounds. I also love the sleep tracking. The Fitbit never has issues so far, works perfectly. Number 2. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights to help you take control of your well-being. Understand how your DNA may influence your chances of developing certain health conditions. Optimize your lifestyle with tailored wellness advice for diet, exercise, and sleep. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited conditions. Use these insights to make informed decisions and proactively manage your health journey. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our simple saliva kit. Just register, spit, and mail your sample back in the prepaid box. Receive your reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your kit includes access to our essential Ancestry service, allowing you to explore your family tree and understand where you come from. You can also upgrade for advanced health and ancestry insights. Your genetic data is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures, ensuring you decide what to learn and share. What we like? Unlock the secrets within your DNA. This kit offers a deep dive into your genetic makeup, revealing health risks and ancestral origins. If you're curious about your heritage, want to understand your health predispositions, or are looking for actionable insights to manage your well-being, this is the perfect tool. What people say. 23 provides FDA-approved reports on your risk of 9 medical conditions, including Alzheimer's, plus several genetic carrier reports. Their discussion explanation of your risks for these conditions is specifically approved by the FDA and is understandable, informative, and useful. The analysis process itself took about 10 days, including a holiday weekend. Total wait time was 3 to 4 weeks. 23 identified 4 second cousins and about 32 third cousins. 23 also has cousins outside the USA, which are really valuable contacts for ancestry searching. Number 1. Jabra Elite 85T Wireless Headset. Introducing the Jabra Elite 85T in titanium black. Experience unparalleled sound with advanced noise cancellation technology. Our active noise cancellation effectively blocks out unwanted sounds. You can finally focus on what's important. Need to tune back into your surroundings? Hear Through mode lets you hear the sounds you want, when you want them. Easily adjust the level of ambient sound you let in with a simple slider. Access your preferred setting with just a touch. Engineered with the most advanced noise cancellation, these earbuds give you complete control over your auditory world. Dual microphones in each earbud work together to cancel noise before it even reaches your ears, ensuring pure audio. What we like. Immerse yourself in sound or stay connected to your surroundings with unparalleled control. These headphones provide industry-leading noise cancellation and customizable transparency. If you demand the best in audio isolation and the flexibility to tune into the world when needed, these are the ultimate choice. What people say. The noise cancellation, ANC, and hear-through modes are novel features. Bluetooth pairing has been a straightforward, easy experience to get up and running out of the box. The 85Ts sound great when I'm listening to music or watching movies and are outstanding on calls. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.